A Stockton organization is working to bring comfort to families affected by the devastating earthquake that recently hit Mexico, killing close to 200 people.
We are neighbors, we are family, and there is no border to give our hearts.
Now, the group is teaming up with local businesses and an earthquake survivor.
The mission is to collect blankets and other items for people in her hometown who are now living in tents and rundown homes. CBS 13's Carlos Correa is in Stockton, where the efforts are already underway.
Earthquake victims from across the border are visiting businesses in cities up and down California, asking for help as families struggle to rebuild. Yenderina Gutierrez Castro is one of the survivors of the devastating 7.1 earthquake that hit central Mexico almost 2 months ago. She says there are people in my hometown sleeping under trees and in the streets because their homes were destroyed. Castro, who is a dentist in Mexico and the director of a nonprofit social service organization, feels her government isn't doing much to assist families impacted by the earthquake. So she decided to take things in her own hands by crossing the border. I asked her if it was difficult to talk about the aftermath more than 2,000 miles away in places like Stockton. She says it's very difficult. People outside our country don't understand what we're going through and how we are now living. The earthquake killed more than 150 people, destroyed dozens of buildings, and damaged hundreds of other structures. Volunteers are collecting blankets and other items so they can be hand-delivered to families who really need them.
The need is more visible. And the human faces of the earthquake are now more visible.
Centro de la Cultura Campesina is a group that works with farm workers and their families throughout the Central Valley. Most have loved ones in the region impacted by the earthquake and want to do anything they can to help.
There is no border to give our hearts to the needed people.
And if you're interested in donating a blanket to families in Mexico, we have a list on where you can do that on our website, cbs13.com.